children, welcome to today's session. Okay, before starting our session, yes, we'll do some warm-up activity and then we can start our session. So what we did in previous class, that is like what activity we did. Yes, of course, finger exercise or activity, yes, that we did, right? So that today also same like that only, but with the help of our hand we are going to do hands. Okay, so please keep your hands like this, both left and right hands. Please keep like this. Hold your fingers. We don't want fingers for this activity, so that please keep it like this. Ready, children? This is the first time this activity I'm just going to try with you all. Okay, so already I just tried for 2 or 3 times, but let us see. Okay, shall we start? So this is like this left hand you have to rotate like this. This is clockwise. Okay, and your right hand should be in anti-clockwise, this side, this side, this side, this side. Just concentrate, this side, this side, this side, this side, but at a time we have to do. Okay, that activity few like 3 2 3 2. You should not do like this. At a time we have to do this. Okay, clockwise, anti-clock, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clock. You should not stop. See, I am in the middle. I am stopping. We should not do like this. Clockwise, anti-clock, clockwise. This should be in this direction. This should be in this direction, anti-clock. At a time, if it is like this, we will do. But it should be in clock, anti, clock, anti. Okay, like this we can try. So that this is like today is what? Monday or Tuesday? Okay, whatever it may be. So that this week alone we can try. Then we can post it in our homework. Homework group. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Today now we can start our session. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, children, today take your EVS book. Okay, what is your book name? Window on the World. Okay, so just tell me what are all the animals out there. What is this? Monkey. Good. This elephant. Very good. Lion. Next, tiger, rabbit, giraffe. I think this is sparrow. Am I right? Okay. So all these animals, where it is living? Yes, that is jungle. What is it? Which means forest. Right? Okay. So now take page number 1 and please write your name here. Okay. Write your name. And now take page number 1. So what is your lesson name? What is your lesson name? This is me, right? Your chapter 1 is this is me. So about yourself. So see here, let's do it. I already informed like you have to get ready for activity, right? So please please purchase paint and keep. We can do this activity only on Saturday and Sundays. We can go with activity. Okay, this activity session is on Friday. Please don't try now. Okay, so Friday we can do this activity. Just purchase and keep. Okay, now take next page. Yes. So now shall we start? So this you know it already. So this is like a self introduction. Now we are going to learn about this girl Lena. She is going to introduce herself. Let us see. Okay, shall we start? I am Lena. I am 6 years old. I live with you should repeat it along with me, okay? Mother, father and sister. So shall we start? Come on. I am Lena. I am Lena. Repeat it. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. I live with my mother, father and sister. So see here is Lena. So Here mother, father, and with her this is elder or younger sister? Younger sister. Okay. Next, she's going to introduce her pet animal. Okay, let us see. This is Goldie. Repeat it. This is Goldie, my pet cat. I love her a lot. So this is a girl cat, right? So I love her a lot. Alia and Bunty are my best friends. Alia and Bunty are my best friends. So where is the best friends? We can see here, right? So I play with them in the park every day. I play with them in the park every day. Okay. So next is what? See here. This is the picture. So that Lena, she is playing with her friend Alia and Bunty, right? Alia is here and Bunty is here, I think, right? So Alia and Bunty. So see here, right values. Rita is playing with her new ball. So Rita, who's playing with her new ball. Ravi sees the new ball. He wants to play with it too. So this Ravi, he's seeing and he's asking for that new ball to Rita. But what Rita is saying? He asks, can I play with you, Rita? So Ravi is asking, can I play with you, Rita? But Rita, what she replied? No, you can't, says Rita. She picks up the ball and goes home. So she went to home by taking her ball. So Ravi is sad. Ravi felt very bad. Some children like Rita do not like to share. Right? So children, is it correct? Whatever this Rita is did, whether it is correct? No. We should share our things with our friends and family members. Right? So we have to share and we have to enjoy. It is fun to share. We should learn to share our things. So we have to share our things. Okay. Next. Now today what you should do? You should read this and you have to send it. Your audio I want. Please read this and send the audio. How you should read? I am Lena. I am 6 years old. I live with my mother, father and sister. This is Goldie, my pet cat. I love her a lot. Alia and Bunty are my best friends. I play with them in the park every day. Okay, you should read like this. Only this 2 paragraph. Okay, you should read without mistake. Twice or thrice read it and then record. I said already you have special appreciations are waiting for you. So please do it carefully and complete this exercise. Okay, this is me. So now it is all about you. Okay, my name is, write your name. I am dash years old. I study in class, your class. When I grow up, I want to be a is. I have a pet. Its name is. You should write. So after writing, you should send the snapshot. See, I'm going to write. My name is Sampavi. I am 28 years old. No, I'm not studying in any class. Okay, I study in class 1. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. So, what is your aim? I have a pet. Its name is Jimmy. Okay, that's it. So, today you please complete this activity and same time you please do this. Okay. What is this? Draw a picture of yourself here. So already in worksheet you all did, I think. So like this here you should draw and color it neatly. Okay. So children, see here, be aware. Do you know your father or your mother's phone number? Write it down and learn it. Okay. Also, you should know your home address. Here, you should write your father or mother number, along with that your house address you should write. Okay. So next is like some things I like. What do you like? So first, I like the color. I like black color. So I am writing that. You don't want to write same thing. What you like? I like eating. I like to eat biryani. I said, right? I like playing chess. I like wearing saris. So what is your favorite? Some things I do not like. What we do not like? Yes, I do not like to sleep in the afternoon. Afternoon time, I do not like to sleep in the afternoon. So you should write what's your thing, okay? Children, so today's task is you want to complete this and this thing. You please send a snapshot and record your audio by reading this 2 paragraph. Okay? Thank you.